What new models of budgetary capacity and incapacity have emerged after the decline of planning, programming, budgeting? No significant change can be made in budgetary process without affecting the political process. Budget is a political process. Is William Niskanen's budget maximizing model relevant today? What new models of budgetary capacity and incapacity have emerged after the decline of planning, programming, budgeting and zero-based budgeting? This. It is top-down budgeting and outcome budgeting. Zero-based, let's say, gender budgeting, let's say this. Incapacity is related to their weaknesses, let's say. Budgetary capacity is that Kita has improved, but still incapacity will be more related to data, evidence-based, other things you can talk when you write about outcome budgeting. Then identify the main elements of program budgeting, output budgeting, and new performance budgeting. What do they have in common with PPBS? This will find this. So, program budgeting, output budgeting, new performance budgeting. Once they ask difficult era time, new performance budgeting is output and outcome budgeting. Right. Program budgeting is nothing but PPBS. The output budgeting is performance budgeting. New performance budgeting is output and outcome budgeting. How they are different from planning, programming, budgeting system, or how they are similar. The main elements, here you have to type the main elements. There you have to compare this with this and this. Because program budgeting is a PPBS. This is how. Then you have to compare PPBS with not program, output and new performance, because both are same. Yes. Right. Performance budgeting. Output budgeting is performance budgeting. New performance budgeting is output and outcome budgeting. Output budgeting is performance budgeting. New performance budgeting is output and outcome budgeting. Program budgeting is PPBS. No significant change can be made in budgetary process without affecting the political process. We'll deal later on. I do not want to go into this. पहले budgeting देखते हैं उसके बाद. The key to understanding performance budgeting lies beneath the word result. Examine the elements of performance-based budgeting. Already you know result is output-oriented. Rest is about performance budgeting. Budget is a political process. Is William Niskanen's budget maximizing model relevant today? Yes, it is not relevant. Yes. It is evaluation of performance budgeting. Has it worked? Mixed type results. This on which we don't have exact facts. जो थोड़े subjective facts है वही लिखना है तो कुछ कंट्रीज का हमने बोला है ना, न्यूजीलैंड इज दैट, नीदरलैंड्स, आप फैक्ट्स बता दो, इंडिया का भी थोड़ा सा बता दो, isn't it? This first time they asked zero base busting. This there was they asked zero base, but first time they asked this. This instead of getting away from incrementalism ended up being most incrementalism. Right. Is it like that? Discuss, so you have to tell that it's not that way. It will be extreme to say that you have to criticize it. Although there is incrementalism, it has continued. That is how you have to talk. Then first time they ask outcome busting. First time. Outcome busting addresses the weakness of. So simple question about it. But first time they ask, and I guess it is 22. And 23 may again they ask this. Outcome busting. So continuously they ask 2 times outcome busting. Yes. That is how we'll find this. So these are the budgetary things. It's largely doable with some difficulties.